It's a trade-off. I get extended life. Yo! What the f? Are you serious right now?
This is why you stop at the white line and then pull forward and stop again. But here you both were idiots. Clueless drivers are really a menace, and this could have ended really bad. Great job mitigating the damage and staying in control. This driver ran the stop sign not knowing that the black SUV guy is an undercover cop. Ticket is coming for him. What an overreaction. Probably screamed his head off too. Just a gentle pull to the right would have prevented this. Don't let bad drivers like this ruin your insurance rates. Grab the dash cam from the link below and protect yourself today. Now look at this next clip. I don't know for what she was looking back in there. After ramming his car, she even rammed into the telephone pole across the street. Crazy drivers, for God's sake. This video comes from Bangladesh, where the robbers attempted to rob the car but failed miserably in front of drivers' quick judgment and response. Kudos. It looks like they've done this a lot. At this point, why even bother with the half-hearted right turn? May as well just go straight through. Vans are either asleep or racing, pick one, but the camera made it worse. You can't just float between lanes, commit or stay put. Since both messed up, expect the insurance companies to split the bill 50-50. Talk about taking moving house literally. This guy is dragging his whole home down the street. That takes a level of confidence or craziness that I definitely do not have. That wraps up another week of madness on the roads. I really appreciate you guys tuning in and watching these clips with me. It helps us all become more defensive drivers just by watching what not to do. If you are looking for a way to capture your own clips or just protect yourself on your daily commute, I've dropped a link in the description to a solid, budget-friendly dash cam that gets the job done perfectly. Definitely check that out if you haven't yet. Stay safe, watch your mirrors, and don't become the next clip on this channel. See ya and drive safe.